Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to update your YouTube channel links on your Facebook page. Also do check out the YouTube launch playbook which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now, you might have seen on my YouTube channel, I have updated my other social media links on the bio of my YouTube channel. You can see over here, right? Similarly, you can update your other social media channels bios with YouTube link, and that is what we are going to look about in today's video for Facebook. Right. So similar to what we have done here, we'll go to our Facebook page. Now, if I just click on it, if you have not followed me on Facebook, do follow and subscribe to my page YouTube with Saave. It's the same content, but if you are on Facebook as well, might just as well follow me over there, right? So for better purposes, this over here is my professional dashboard and login for my Facebook page. Now, if you see over here, you can see my other social media links updated in the bio for my Facebook channel as well. So the easiest way to do this is when you go on your Facebook page or you are setting up a Facebook page, or if you have one, just click on edit and you will get into this editing zone, right? Now that's the first way. All right. So also don't confuse this with links. So links is where you can add any links, right? So under social media links there are different categories where you can update, but these links are different. I have added my Substack link over here. You can add any digital store link if you have. You can add any Shopify link if you have for merchandise over here. then we go to then we go to contact info over here, and you can see there is a section called as social media. Just click on it. Now I have already added this, but if this is blank, the easiest way to do this is you will find an option over here, add a social link. Just click. Now over here you have to select drop down, and you can see all the social media platforms are listed. Just select YouTube and put in the channel link, and it will appear in the profile or bio of your Facebook page, right? So I'm not updating, I've just shown it for purpose. So you can see there are two sections: links. You can add any links, it will appear over here. If you have any digital stores, if you have any blog website, you can add those links over here. Or for social media, you can see over here, it will get updated along with the mobile number, email ID, whatever you want to add, right? So that's the way you can add your YouTube channel link on your Facebook page. And highly suggest you to do this for all the social media pages, or update the bios with all the social media links. It might give only 1% conversion for subscribers, but even that 1% matters, right? If you have found this useful, do subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave, both on YouTube and Facebook as well.